Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a Speed UTV Master Unit number 178. Wanted to do a walk around while it's looking fresh before we go out and beat it up this weekend. So we have been out doing some heat cool cycles on it, but got it cleaned up today, got all the plastic wrap pulled off, and it is looking sharp. So on this video, I wanted to do a little walk around, not getting into a whole lot of detail, but just give you kind of a look at the Speed UTV. I'll point out some of the accessories that we have installed on there from the factory. Right off the get-go on the front, we've got the Speed UTV winch. We did add already today the rubber bump stop on there. We do have the front bumper. And the bumper light bar. So the winch system does come on a roller system. As it comes through right here, it goes up on a roller and goes up to the winch. You can see it there. You do have the ability to free spool it and all that jazz, just like anything else out there. There you can see it mounted on the passenger side. We have not been off-road with this yet, other than a gravel road. We do have the full glass windshield on there. The upper radius bar. That thing is a beautiful piece of art. The side mirrors with the side lights. We will do some video about the lighting. It looks awesome, providing good side light. We do have the Speed roof, as well as the cargo rack. Follows the roof line very well. Got the kicker audio system, the soundproofing kit. We did do both dashes. We'll get into that in a later video. So we did the full kicker system. You've got speakers in the doors, front and back. Subwoofer there under the seat. Harnesses. Switches everywhere. Winch control, air switch, hazards, heated seat switch, push to talk switches, horn, signal, speed key, more lighting, roof, bumper, mirror, auxiliary, headlight switch, start stop button. There's the pedal placement. Four-wheel drive shifter, cup holders, speed fire extinguisher kit, air filter, clutch cover, exhaust, speed tire, speed bead locks, chase bar light. I'm sure you know that there's 3 fans, all separate on temperature control. We've got the side box, the crescent box. I've got another side box coming. I was going to utilize this space differently, but I actually love how the fit is on this box. So did one for the right hand side, spare tire and spare tire mount. Cup holders there in the tailgate. Awesome LED tail lights. Rear bumper. 2-inch hitch. You can see that skid plate. We do a lot of rock crawling out this way, so it had to go with the skid plate. Full coverage. Looks great. Crazy thick. They've done a good job routing all the wiring, securing it nice and tight. Rear view mirror. That is the speed rear view. Should we flip on some lights? I'm gonna just kick them all on right now. We were requested to do this walk around with no music attached. So there you go. This is a full production unit. We do have more accessories that came with the vehicle. We did the break-in kit, the jack, speed tool kit. We did the speed sand tires. We'll cover all that in another video. There you have it. Car number 178 from Speed UTV. It is here at Big Pine Sports, and this car is not leaving. Come check it out. If you'd like to make a Speed UTV yours, give us a call, shoot us a text, 435-427-3338. We've got a lot of early numbers available. Give us a call, we'll get you taken care of. I'm going to handle all of the Speed orders personally to make sure we get you in the right vehicle and make all the changes that you would like to yours. Again, 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Gonna go do another heat cool cycle tonight, and tomorrow we're gonna go do some real riding. Have a good night, everybody.